Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pass the AP Macroeconomics Exam. This test is a comprehensive assessment of college-level economic principles. It lasts 2 hours and 10 minutes, divided into 2 sections. The first section contains 60 multiple-choice questions, while the second features 3 free-response questions. Understanding this structure is your first step toward success, allowing you to strategize your study time effectively. To truly excel, you must master the fundamental economic concepts and models. Don't just memorize definitions, understand how they interrelate. Practice drawing and labeling graphs, such as the aggregate demand-aggregate supply model, until it becomes second nature. Also, commit key formulas for calculations like GDP and multipliers to memory. This deep understanding will allow you to apply principles to various economic scenarios. Consistent practice is vital for success. Dedicate time to answering both multiple-choice and free-response questions from past exams. For the free-response section, utilize the 10-minute reading period to plan your answers. Aim to spend about 25 minutes on the long question and divide the remaining time between the 2 shorter ones. Analyze your errors to learn from them, ensuring you don't repeat the same mistakes. On exam day, manage your time wisely. For free-response questions, use the initial 10 minutes to plan your responses, addressing all parts of each question. Always use precise economic terminology and fully explain your reasoning. When drawing graphs, ensure they are correctly labeled with axes, curves, and equilibrium points. Remember to bring an approved calculator for any numerical analysis. Stay calm and confident.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.